Being in a love triangle can be complicated, but there are things you can do to deal with the situation in a healthy way and move forward. Start by taking some time apart from the triangle to explore your feelings and process the situation. Try writing in a journal or talking to someone you trust to help you work through your feelings. Be honest with yourself and consider all of your options before deciding to stay in the love triangle or leave it. Then communicate your decision openly and honestly so everyone can manage their expectations. If you decide to leave the triangle, focus on accepting what happened and moving on with your life. This can be a tough situation, but healthy distractions like exercise and throwing yourself into your hobbies can really help. If you're struggling with your emotions, remember that feelings of confusion, guilt, and loneliness are normal reactions. It's okay to cry or to hit something soft if you feel overwhelmed. Don't hesitate to speak to a therapist if you're struggling to move forward.